The animal kingdom is full of bizarre and fascinating creatures that will leave you speechless. From animals with glowing bodies to ones that can regenerate their organs. The diversity of life on Earth is truly mind blowing. Today we are diving into 5 of the most unique animals you won't believe actually exist. Get ready to be amazed by the wonders of nature. Let's begin with an animal so strange it looks like something from a science fiction movie. Exalottle. First up is the Exalotl, a species of salamander found in the lakes of Mexico. Unlike most amphibians, exolotls retain their larvae form throughout their entire lives. This means they never fully transition into land-dwelling creatures, and they stay aquatic. But what is even more amazing is their ability to regenerate lost body parts, including limbs, spinal cord, and even parts of their brain. This regenerative ability has made the axolotl an object of scientific study and fascination. Despite their cute appearance, axolotls are powerful survivors of the wild, capable of regrowing almost any part of their body, as if they were given a fresh start every time. Next, we move from the waters to the skies, where we find a bird with an incredible ability to mimic almost any sound. Meet the lyrebird. The lyrebird, native to Australia, is often regarded as one of the best mimics in the animal kingdom. This remarkable bird can imitate nearly every sound it hears, from chainsaws to camera shutters and even car alarms. What makes their vocal ability even more stunning is that they can mimic other birds' song perfectly, all while performing an intricate dance to go along with it. The lyrebird's mimicry isn't just a quirky talent, it is an essential part of their mating rituals. The male lyrebird uses these amazing vocal talents to attract a mate by showcasing his diverse range of sounds. Nature's version of a musical genius. Let's move underwater now to meet a creature with the ability to create its own light, the anglerfish. At number 3, we have the anglerfish, one of the most bizarre and terrifying creatures of the deep ocean. This fish has a bioluminescent lure on top of its head, which it uses to attract prey in the dark depths of the ocean where sunlight never reaches. The glow from the lure is produced by bacteria living in the fish's body, creating a light that can draw an unsuspecting fish. The anglerfish has evolved to thrive in complete darkness, and its unique feature is its ability to open its jaws wide enough to swallow prey half the size. This incredible adaptation allows it to survive in the harsh conditions of the deep sea, where food is scarce. Now let's meet a creature with one of the most extraordinary abilities in the animal world, the octopus. The octopus is one of the most intelligent and unique animals on the planet. Not only can it change color and texture to blend into the surroundings, but it can also alter the shape of its body to fit through incredibly small spaces. This ability is thanks to the soft, downless body that allows it to squeeze into tight crevices that would seem impossible for most creatures. What is even more impressive is the octopus's intelligence. These creatures have been known to use tools, solve complex puzzles, and even escape from aquariums. Their short lifespan and ability to regenerate their limbs add to their mystery. Truly, the octopus is a marvel of evolution. And finally, we have a creature that looks like it belongs in a fantasy world, the platypus. At number 1, we have the platypus, an animal so unique that it baffled scientists when it was first discovered. Native to Australia, the platypus is a mammal that lays eggs, which is rare in the animal kingdom. It has the body of a beaver, the bill of a